Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Creative Team. I am Sarah and host, and today we are going to discuss an interesting topic. It is better to live in the city or the countryside. That's a question many people ask when they think about where they want to live. Let's explore the benefits and challenges of the both places. Today, we will listen to a conversation between two friends, Sarah and Aisha. They have different opinions about the city and country life. Sarah loves the excitement of city while the Aisha prefers the peace of countryside. Let's see what they have to say. Before we dive into today's conversation, I want you to think about a few questions to get you ready. And these questions are very important about this topic. Do you live in the city or the countryside? Where do you want to live? And the next question is, what do you like most about where you live? What are some advantages and disadvantages of living in both areas? So just let's start. Assalamu alaikum Aisha. Have you ever thought about where you would rather live in the city or the countryside? Hi Sarah, yes I have think I would prefer to live in the countryside. It's quiet and peaceful. And there, what about you? I love to living in the city. There is always something happening and I enjoy the energy of people. That's true, the city is exciting, but I it can also be noisy and crowded. Sometimes I feel stressed in the city. I understand that, but it's the city. You have many opportunities for for entertainment like restaurants, theaters, and the shopping. There is always something to do. That's good point, but in the countryside I can enjoy nature, fresh air. I can go for long walks and see the beautiful landscapes. Nature is nice, but sometimes I miss the convenience of the city. In the city, I can find everything I need close by. I can easily get food, clothes, and the other things without traveling so far. That's true. In the countryside, you might have to drive a long way to find a grocery store or restaurant, but I think the pace of life is worth it. What do you think about that? I see what you mean. Living in the city can be fast paced and stressful, but it also offers many opportunities. You can meet new people and learn new things. Yes, you meet interesting people in the city, but I like community feeling in the countryside. People are friendly and they often know your neighbors. That's a nice aspect of country life. I think it depends on what you value more. If you like the excitement and activities, the city is great, but if you want peace and nature, the countryside is the better option for living. Exactly, it's all about personal preference. I enjoy the quiet and slower lifestyle of the countryside while you thrive into the city buzz. So, right, maybe you can meet in the middle and enjoy both worlds. You can visit the countryside on weekends and come back to the city during the week. That sounds like a perfect plan. We can enjoy the best of both places. Let's go over some key vocabulary from the conversation. Exciting, something that's very interesting and makes you feel so happy. Convenience, something that makes life easier and saves the time. Community, a group of people living in the same area who know each other. So now listen the conversation and try to identify these words as you listen.